How to use blockchain.com. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use blockchain. So in order to use blockchain, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in blockchain.com. That's going to directly take you to the official page. So right on this page, go ahead and tap on the sign up button. So first of all, to use a blockchain, you have to create an account. So after that, it's going to take you to the fill, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, it's going to ask you to provide in your personal details, that is your email address, create a password, country of your resident, and if you have any referral code, you can enter that and click on a continue button. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to verify your email. So for that, click on yes, I confirm this is my email address, and the next interface is going to send you a verification code which you have to enter in. As soon as you've done that, you will be notified that you've successfully created your blockchain account. And as you're done creating a blockchain account, then you can explore the features and the options available on the blockchain app itself. And you can also explore, you can invest on some other cryptocurrency, you can deposit, withdraw, whatsoever. And that's basically how you can use blockchain. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.